Hashimoto's explained. What is Hashimoto's disease? It's not just a thyroid problem. It's an autoimmune condition, meaning your immune system, the one meant to protect you, starts attacking your own thyroid gland. So what happens inside your body? Slow burn, silent chaos. Immune system produces antibodies like TPOAB. What is TPOAB? It's thyroid peroxidase antibody. TPOAB are antibodies your body makes against your own thyroid enzyme, TPO. That enzyme, thyroid peroxidase, helps produce thyroid hormones. But when TPOAB is elevated, your immune system is attacking your thyroid. This attacks the thyroid over time. Thyroid gets damaged, hormone production drops. So result, hypothyroidism, your body literally slows down. What does high TPOAB mean? It's a red flag for autoimmune thyroid disease, especially Hashimoto's disease, and sometimes also seen in Graves' disease. Hashimoto's is not just about the thyroid. It is a system issue. Immune system imbalance, gut health problems, chronic inflammation, stress overload, and detox pathways struggling. That's why taking thyroid meds alone doesn't always make you feel 100% well. Kaya, normal TSH is not equal to no problem. Hashimoto's doesn't happen overnight, and healing won't either. From guessing to understanding, from surviving to restoring. If this feels like your story, don't ignore it anymore. This is Nurse Verlaine saying, you stop chasing symptoms, you start understanding your body. That's where power begins.